Okay, here we are talking about resistance, and resistance involves the three ingredients: volts, amps, and resistance in ohms. Now, this chart I found incredibly useful. In order to get the missing ingredient, you need to know the other two. And the way to do this, if you know voltage and resistance, but you don't know amps, you cover amps, it's voltage divided by resistance. Or if you don't know resistance, it's voltage divided by amps. And if you don't know voltage, it's amps times resistance. I think that's about it, really. Okay, we're now going to move into measurement, and we're going to start off with analog measurement and the missing ingredient here is we're now going to move into measurement. They're using more power. When I was a kid, we used to look at the meter because it was a little spinning wheel. And I'd run around and turn everything on in the house to see how fast I could make it go. I had no idea I was driving my dad's hydro bill up.
I'm not a limit anymore. Not really.